In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage an event project from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to organize every detail, keep your team aligned, and see exactly what needs to happen, from planning to the big day. We'll begin by creating a dedicated project for your event in your project management tool. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and add a short summary that states the event date, purpose, and success criteria. This becomes your single source of truth where all planning, conversations, and files live in one place. Next, structure the project with sections that mirror the planning stages: venue, budget, guests, marketing, and day of tasks. Think of these as buckets that prevent details from getting lost. Venue covers everything about location and logistics. Budget holds costs, approvals, and payment timing. Guests focuses on invitations and registration. Marketing is for promotion across channels. Day of tasks contains the timeline, run of show, and on-site responsibilities. Clear sections make it obvious where each piece of work belongs. Now start adding tasks under each section. Under venue, you might create tasks for researching options, confirming the contract, arranging seating, and coordinating AV. In budget, list tasks for finalizing the estimate, tracking expenses, and securing approvals. For guests, add building the invite list, sending invitations, and managing RSVPs. In marketing, include drafting announcements, designing assets, publishing posts, and scheduling reminders. Under day of tasks, create a minute-by-minute schedule, vendor check-ins, setup and teardown, and a quick contingency check. Assign each task to the right person so ownership is unmistakable. Match people to their strengths: logistics for venue items, finance for budget tracking, communications for guest outreach and marketing, and an on-site lead for day of execution. If a task needs collaboration, keep one clear owner and mention helpers in the notes. Add due dates to create momentum and prevent last-minute scrambling. Use notes to clarify scope, decisions, and key details. Attach files like contracts, floor plans, guest lists, and creative assets so everything is at hand. Set priorities to highlight what's critical, what's important, and what can wait, helping the team focus when time is tight. Finally, track progress regularly until the event is complete. Do quick check-ins, update task statuses, adjust due dates if needed, and resolve blockers early. Watch for upcoming deadlines, keep the timeline current, and mark tasks done as they're finished. Stay consistent, and your event will come together smoothly.